Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Hey citizens, how y'all doing? I haven't seen y'all in a while, but I'm back. Hey. Welcome back to Life with Sid. Hey guys, guess what today is? Can you guess? August 5th. Yes, it is. And guess what? August 5th. It's your girl's birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Sydney. Happy birthday to me. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning back in. And today we are doing a Louis Vuitton triple unboxing. Yes, these are some birthday items that I picked up. I've been collecting for my birthday. So I was like, I'm gonna stack it up and unbox it with you guys. So y'all spend a little bit of birthday time with me. I'm sitting here waiting for my MUA. She's coming shortly. I think it's about 3:30 now. I have an appointment at 4:30. So right after this video, I'm gonna shower, get my clothes laid out, everything. But I know y'all here for the unboxing and I'm just rambling. I'm just excited because it's my birthday. Yes, it's your girl's birthday. So don't forget, hit that thumbs up, wish your girl happy birthday, and leave a little comment. And if you're not subscribed, girl, what are you waiting for? You're gonna miss all the goodness over here. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified and you become an official citizen. Yes. So without further ado, guys, let's get into this birthday Louis Vuitton triple unboxing. Okay, so we're gonna start with, I guess, the smallest gift. So this is something that I purchased for myself. I ordered online. Y'all know it comes in a little box. I didn't get to scratch off my address, so I'm holding it this way. Now, if you've seen one unboxing Louis Vuitton, I'm pretty sure you've seen them all. So you know it comes with a little pull tag. So that's what I'm doing now, because it has my address. And I cannot show that to y'all. We're going to do it here. And I'm just checking to make sure my address is not showing. Okay. And then when you open it, here it is. Thumbnail. Just open it like so. Here it is. Alright, so this is an item that I purchased online. And this is the receipt. And they always send a return label. And then your receipt. The item number on it, the code is, if anyone interested, I'll give you the code at the end of the video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you guys will see my birthday fit, okay? Because some of these items is for my birthday outfit and I want y'all to see it, and I will be posting tonight on my Instagram. I'm going to try to upload this video today so you guys will see it. Alright, little fancy bow. And it always comes with like a little note card, but I don't never send myself a note. I have so many of these little note cards. I can recycle them. Can anybody guess what might be in here? Can you take a guess? Leave it in the comments. It's a small leather good. It comes with a cute little dust bag. Oh my goodness, this is even cuter in person, guys. Look at this.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
How cute is this? Look how bright this is. Look how bright this is. When I seen this on the website, I said, this is so different. I love how they're mixing colors with the monogram. I love it. But this is just too cute. And this is from the men's section. I think it's called the Browser. Don't come for me in the comments. Okay? Don't come for me in the comments. I will leave a description or a picture right here. It is so cute. But like I said, it's from the men's section. And it has so many card holders. 16 slots. Now, if that's not enough, then girl, I don't know. 16 slots. And it has a zipper for like your receipts and stuff like that. If you carry your receipts, which I do because I'm a business owner, so I have to keep all my receipts. Every last one. And then it's like 2 more slots. One here, pocket here, and one behind the zipper. And then another one on this side. It's actually 2. One behind the credit card slots, and then another one. And it doesn't zip, it just folds closed, which is, I'm okay with that. It's fine. And this will fit in the big part of my multi-pochette. So I'm fine with that. And fits in almost all my bags. So that's why I got it. Because I had another wallet and it just was old and child, it was time to retire her. So, and then I got some small ones, and sometimes the small ones just don't work. But yes, so what did I say the name of was? The Browser? Girl, don't get me lying. But I will put a picture here. And it's so adorable and I love it. I just love how it's bright, and when I reach in my bag, you're not going to miss this. Especially if you have it in one of your big totes or something. You will not miss this. This is so, so cute. And this, I don't even know. I have to look at the specs. I can't even remember if this is leather. But I will give you the item number. Just in case. And it was in, like I said, this is from the men's collection. And I think it was like $7.45. But the code is M as in Mary 80790 if you're interested in getting this. And I think it was like $7.95 or something like that. All right. So yes, that is one of my birthday gifts to myself. To me, from me. Thank you. All right, so we're going to move this to the side and let's get into the next unboxing. I still have a thumbnail, just in case. Thumbnail. All right, so this was a in-store pickup as well. Well, that one was a mail order. This was an in-store pickup. My next 2 items were in-store pickup. So, let's get this. This item here, I actually have it in another color. I will link my other Louis Vuitton unboxing. If you haven't seen it, you have to go check it out. I'm going to open it and then you'll understand what I'm saying if you've seen it. If not, I will definitely link it here and you can go and watch it. But let's just get this open. Of course, I'm pretty sure you have an idea what this is because the box is pretty big with a pull tab. Pull it open. And it's 2 dust bags. So I'm pretty sure you can guess. If you're official citizen, I think you know what this is. Let's get her open. I put a knot in this dust bag and I couldn't get it out. Look, 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 look. Look what I have here, guys. The Louis Vuitton. I don't even have the receipt. I think my husband has the receipt. But these are slippers. They're actually sandals because they're made for indoor, outdoor. They have like the rubber sole and they're sheepskin. But like I said, the video that I'll link here is when I unboxed the black with the white LV. And when I ordered the black with the white one, a week later, the black with the white LV, a week later, I seen these were available. Okay? Listen. This is a gorgeous combination right here. I just had to have it. So I said, you know what? My birthday is coming up. I said, you only live once. Treat yourself. And I did. Treat. Oh my goodness, I'm so silly. No, but listen guys, these are so freaking comfortable. So. If you ever wanted to just splurge on yourself, this is it. This is a beautiful splurge. It's comfortable. It's gorgeous. They're timeless, resellable after you use them. It's a great investment piece. Trust me. If you keep them clean, great investment piece. But I love them. I love them. They're so comfortable. And this is my birthday gift. And they run kind of small. I am like a 36, a true 36. And these I had to get in a 37. Yeah, so, oh no, 37 and a half. My black ones is a 37. I can fit them, but I actually like the 37 and a half much better. So yes, if you want to get these, make sure you go up. I'm sorry I don't have the code. I will link them here. I will put a picture here. I don't know. My husband, I think, has the receipt, so I can't really give you too many details on these. But like I said, I will link everything if it's still available. I'll link it below, and I will put a picture here. Yes, this is it. These are my Louis. I love the color. They are so cute. All right, so let's get to one more item. Okay, guys. This is my last item. And this item is going to be part of my wardrobe tonight for the birthday girl. Yes, for my birthday, for dinner. So, here it is. I have the receipt for this one. Let's open. Guys, comes in all this foam. Put this down. Envelope, the receipts. Okay, guys, here it is. I'm gonna take the foam off. So guys, this is the Louis Vuitton Scott box, or box Scott. On the website, I think it says box Scott. And in the store, I think they call it Scott box. I'm not 100% sure. Well, this is all acrylic. And it's so adorable. No, it's not a purse. I think they consider a jewelry holder. It really doesn't say. But I thought this would be so appropriate for tonight. And I've seen people put a bandeau scarf on it. So I'm going to put my bandeau scarf on it, and I'm going to carry it as a clutch tonight. I know you have to be very, very careful, because if this drops, it will definitely break. So I'm going to be super, super careful. But I wanted this so bad. I love the little lock here. I think you're going to squeeze it together to open it. me see if I can get it. Like, I'm just being like so gentle with it. Yeah, so you just squeeze it and you just lift this tab here, and here it is, just like that. It is so cute. I just thought this would be perfect for my birthday outfit. And like I said, don't forget, follow my Instagram so you can see my birthday outfit. I'm not getting too dressy, but it's going to be cute. So guys, this is the Scott box, and this is going to be my birthday clutch for tonight. And I just love it. This was not available on the website. I actually went into the store and purchased it. On the website it says sold out, but as of when I purchased this, the retail for it was $11.30. I think it went up. I think it had a price increase. But the number for this is G as in Gina, 10203. Yes, so if you're interested. And so, you know, this is a cute little piece to decorate your closet. It's really like home decoration. If you're looking for it, I think you can go under home on the website and you can find it. So I'm going to carry it as a clutch, and then after that it'll just be more like decor for my closet. But I love it. It's so cute. Yes, here it is. Okay guys, that is it for my birthday Louis Vuitton triple unboxing. And if you're new here and you haven't hit that subscribe button, you've been here all this time, you might as well hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time your girl upload a video, you'll be notified. And don't forget, follow me on Instagram at MrsWhite_93. Let's be friends. Let's stay connected. Until next time, Syd signing off. Peace.